Hey guys, so I got some stuff in the mail today, and I'm thinking that they are my fender washers. Shout out to autokoto for making that video, because it made me kind of want to get some and put some on my car, just for an accessory look. So I'll get to the unboxing. So I got silver fender washers. I got 20 of them for about, I think it was like about 10 bucks. I could have gotten 40 for I think 15, but they kind of had a logo on this area of the washer, and I kind of wanted to have like a blank washer look to it, so yeah, I'll get those installed for you guys. So as you can see, guys, there it is. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the last one. And then I also used them on my license plate. Right there. So yeah, guys, get yourself some fender washers. Makes your engine bay look clean.